Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the CLA3A compressor. This classic optical compressor is known for its smooth, musical sound and straightforward controls. It offers a unique program-dependent response, meaning its attack and release times adapt to the incoming audio. We'll cover its core functions and how to integrate it into your mixes for professional results. Get ready to enhance your audio with this powerful tool. Let's dive into the main controls. The peak reduction knob is your primary tool for determining how much compression occurs. Turn it clockwise to increase the amount of gain reduction. The gain knob then allows you to make up for any volume lost during compression, ensuring your signal remains at a healthy level. Finally, the limit versus compress switch offers two distinct compression ratios, giving you flexibility for various sources. The CLA3A truly shines on a variety of sources. For vocals, it provides a natural, transparent leveling, helping them sit perfectly in the mix without sounding overcompressed. On bass guitar, it adds a lovely warmth and sustain, making the low end feel more solid and consistent. It's also fantastic for electric guitars, offering a subtle musical squeeze that enhances their presence and character. Experiment to find its sweet spot. Beyond standard use, the CLA3A offers some advanced techniques. Consider parallel compression by blending a dry signal with a heavily compressed one for added punch and density. You can also try using two CLA3 as in series, with the first doing light work and the second catching the peaks, for even more refined control. Don't forget it can also act as a subtle tone shaper, even with minimal gain reduction, adding character to your tracks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.